Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 3. I was just about to delete this file and I started thinking because the space is behind it, if we look, this thing is a little bit over 10 inches big. I'm going to take an ellipse and I'm going to make the ellipse 10 inches. I'm going to fill it in with blue. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to get my interactive fill tool. I wouldn't have made a video, but this is cool. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go up and get the elliptical fountain fill. I'm going to move that to the center. I'm going to move that out to the edge, and you can control, you kind of get it perfectly in the center. But then I'm going to add that blue to the center. Now, at first I thought, well, big deal. But we're going to take this and go to objects, order, back a page, because it's the last thing we created will be on the top. This is the center of the page. I want you to watch the difference in just a second. I've got to be able to see this, and I'm going to hit P and just watch. If you really kind of zoom in, now it looks like honeycomb. Now you can stand out and see and I really need to probably take out that center and fill it with a blue or something, or continue these dots. But if it doesn't look like kind of like a honeycomb pattern going out, and I could have made the circle a little bit bigger to encompass the whole thing. It's still selected. So we could go, I think one side was 10.6, and look at that. And now you can kind of see a twirl pattern, but that is pretty cool. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.